How to fix TikTok no internet connection. First thing, open the settings and then open the apps manager on your phone. Open the apps. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do here is search for TikTok like this. Click on force stop to stop running the app in the background. Click on storage, click on clear cache, go back, click on data usage and then disable all those options and enable them again. Last thing you want to do now is click on notifications and make sure to enable all the notifications like this. Now last thing you want to do is make sure to update your TikTok into the latest version by searching for it on the Play Store or the App Store and click on update. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.